It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene. This C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. It comes with great features you'll love. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, Bluetooth, power tilting steering column, automatic transmission, AMG aluminum wheels, sport suspension, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver remarks, consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes-Benz knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,